evening.
Hi.
And how are we all?
We're fine, thank you very much.
Did you just enjoy your ride?
We did indeed.
You did? You're feeling a little bit sick now?
A little bit sick, yeah.
And which little girl went on?
Isabel.
Are you feeling sick? No. Daddy is though, isn't he? So you enjoy the ride a lot more. And is this your lovely dog?
This is our dog, Duke.
What's his name?
Duke.
Duke. He's lovely, isn't he? Oh. How old is he?
He's just over a year.
Oh, he's beautiful. I bet you spoil him.
We do indeed.
Yeah. And is this your lovely family?
My lovely family.
Yeah.
We've got Tiani.
That's who?
Tiani.
Okay, it's a nice name, isn't it?
Tamsin.
Lana.
Oh, wow.
Isabel, Jemima.
Oh, lovely names. So you've got 4 girls.
That's it, 4 girls.
And what is your name?
Tamsin.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it your birthday
It's
today?
your birthday. She's speaking. It's maybe your birthday.
Oh, how old are you?
Yeah, you're how old? You're 3 today, aren't you?
Oh, isn't that lovely? Shall we sing a happy birthday then?
Ready?
Shall we? Ready? Go on. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear.
Happy
birthday to you. Hey. And how old are you?
11.
11. Are you at big school? Not yet, this year. Nice one. How old are you? 7. 8. Oh,
3, aren't you?
you're 3.
You want to go on that? You've been on enough rides now.
Sorry? All right then. We'll say goodbye for now.
Yeah.
Your dog is beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Really lovely.
What's your name as well?
Joy Taylor.
Joy Taylor. Lovely to meet you.
She's got the... And where do you all live?
We live in Paignton.
Let's big up Paignton. Come on, big up Paignton. All right then, I'll see you another time. Lovely seeing you. Enjoy your birthday.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.